Happy 4th of July! This is my cousin Patrick. He's right there.
You can't see him.
Yeah, I can't really see it. Stranger Things Season 3 out today, guys. Watch it.
Ah, that's scary. No, I hate loud fireworks because you see them, but then after you hear it.
Sparkly!
Wow, that's amazing.
Bam! Fireworks are louder than a gunshot. Fun fact. At least 10 to 25 decibels. I mean 35. Sparkly! Bam!
Wow.
Ooh, nice.
Not loud.
Sorry for the shaky cam.
Preston.
Yeah?
I remember over there in Kemet, it was in Los Angeles, and they were shooting fireworks that would have letters and emojis.
Oh, cool. I think they've done the
that was
American
last
flag
year,
before.
4th of July.
Last year they had a happy face. But, woo.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, my hands are getting tired. That's what happens.
Oh, that's
There we go, that's better.
my first vlog. It's pretty amazing. First vlog. Oh shoot! Wow.
Wait, don't you have a YouTube channel or did it like get deleted?
I'm gonna make another one. This is gonna be my first video.
Oh, by the way, these fireworks are in Palm Springs. They have really nice fireworks. So come over next summer. Or, yeah, to see them. They're really nice. Okay.
It looks blurry on mine.
I'm on top of a car right now, guys. This is amazing. I have a very good view. Ooh, sparkly. Oh, they're not that loud anymore.
Watch, trust me, they're coming.
Yeah, I bet during the finale, it's gonna be like huge.
Ow.
Wow!
Yo, Preston,
Bam!
this is gonna be my first video.
Nice. I think this is like red, white, and blue. Yeah, America.
Should I FaceTime my mom?
Sure.
It's gonna be too loud.
Yeah, it's gonna be
I'll
crazy.
just show her the video when I get
Red. Forgot what the flag stand for. I'm sorry, but whatever. I mean, like, I forgot what the colors stand for on the flag. That's what I meant.
So, oh. On my screen, it looks like this white blur.
Really?
Yeah.
I have a okay camera on this phone, so. Oh, sorry. Sorry for the camera blockage.
Oh, those are loud. Never mind.
Noise. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, 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 oh.
That's loud. Yep. Ah.
Explosion! Bam. Bam. Oh, oh. You can hear them. Meow. Sparkly.
Oh, no.
Wow.
I think my favorite ones are those. Where they move. Those are cool.
Oh, that's a nice one. I like the red and blue. It's a good color scheme.
Okay, I think those are.
Bam! Yeah. Wow, that's nice. Color changing ones are amazing.
Yo, that was loud. I'm scared a loud one's gonna just like.
Ah, you're shaking the car, Mom. Bam.
Oh, I like those ones too.
I'm just getting to the 4th of July part of Stranger Things. It's amazing. You guys have to watch it. If you haven't, you need to.
Me, I need to watch it.
We're reaching the finale. Yeah, you can smell like the fire. Bam!
That was a big one.
Another car going off.
Awesome.
Stop! Turn your dang car off, people. Sparkly!
Let's see if he moves.
Turn your dang car off. Bam. Halo. Is that a halo? I don't know. That looks like the Pizza Hut symbol. Oh my god. Happy face! Another happy face. Another happy face. Weird one. I didn't really see that well. And kind of, you know what? These are like not happy faces anymore. That was okay. And that's just a regular firework. Wow. Ooh, curly.
Oh yeah?
Wow. I love 4th of July. A lot. Ew. 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 Ew.
They're really loud.
I know, right? This is actually kind of long.
Top of the car.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Kind
I'm
of
out
low.
of the window right now.
Come on, give me a big one. Yay, that's a big one.
That's loud, yep.
Please don't have another car alarm go off with another big one. Please do not.
I just. I know how to swim a little.
This is amazing.
What about the gym?
Ooh, nice. Oh, my hand hurts. Oh, yay. Car alarm, please do not go off. Please do not go off. So nice and pleasant. Whoa, that was big. There we go again. Turn your dang car off. Whoever owns that car, you suck. What is that? It looks like an exploding planet. Frickin'. This is annoying. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, I think the finale is gonna start soon. I'm so excited. Finale's the best part. Let's give you a close up there. Yeah.
Just recorded.
Close up. Sorry about that light right there. It's kind of weird. That lamppost. It's very annoying. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom.
The finale's coming. Doing little fireworks.
Oh, oh. Aw.
Oh, that's all the thing.
Yeah. I thought, like, a car alarm will go off, I assure you.
And the finale yesterday.
Yeah, for sure. Sparkles.
This one's like smart.
Yeah, you can smell it from here. Or either someone's using firecrackers near us.
Yeah, we can smell it from here. That's a big one.
Oh wow, I'm surprised the car alarm didn't go off.
I know, that was a loud one.
Boom,
I want one of the big ones again.
boom, boom, boom. My hand is tired.
Just stop.
No, why don't I stop? This is quality content.
Oh, that's
The car does not go off. I am so surprised.
stop. I hate lights. I hate
Oh, shaky cam. Sorry, guys. You are?
I hate lights.
Sparkly. That's a nice one.
Oh, don't lock.
The car alarm still isn't going off. I'm so surprised. Like, out of my mind right now. I'm very, very impressed. There's some faint ones.
Yeah, there's more car
Like
alarms.
half a mile away, I can see some cars.
You know, I'm scared that a loud one's
Wow! You
That's-
scared?
Yes.
You're not used to it? Bam! Bam! Bam!
Big one's coming.
No, that's not a big one, that's a small one. I should have live streamed this, huh? Dang it. But there's other people watching fireworks right now, so. Oh, big one. I think it's gonna be like 3 or 4 more minutes, maybe 5 at most.
Oh,
Yay! Big one. That's pleasant. What's that? Looks like a mouth. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit, I guess. There we go. That should be good. Wait, actually? Let's make that bright. Ooh, that has a very good change in lighting. That light, where is it? Come on, where's the finale? Come on, finale has to start soon. It's been like 15 minutes. That car has still not gone off. Wow. Smash that like button, guys.
oh.
And subscribe for more. That's nice. It's very nice. Ooh. Okay, the finale is starting now, for sure.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, here it goes. flag one. That would be amazing. They should do like a huge one, like the super big one for the finale. Ooh, sparkly!
Oh, but that's big.
Bam! Yeah, boy. I heard another car going off. That's great. Yeah, it's farther away from this car. Ding dong ding ding dong dong. Let's get a better view. Those are nice. And you are little Uzi Vert. Those are nice. Yeah, here we go. Bam. Bam. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa! Wow, 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 wow. That is amazing right there. Happy birthday, America. Happy birthday. USA, USA. Hey. Boom. It is still going. Going on 18 minutes. Boom. You okay? I'm okay. Oh my god. That guy has a Segway. He has a Segway. I just saw a guy with a Segway. That is amazing. Segways are amazing. But it didn't have like the handle. It was just like one wheel. Wait, really? Oh. He's probably getting a lot of business. Wow. That was loud. Another car went off. Yeah. This is taking a long time, but I'm really enjoying it. You are? Dude, this has been like 18 minutes and 42 seconds. Boom! I know, right? It still hasn't gone off. And these are loud, loud, loud. Happy birthday, America! Happy 4th of July! Yay! Guys, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. Smash that like button and subscribe for more.